Bangalore has a range of some top educational institutions who have an array of various fields of study. Here, we have one such prestigious educational institution that crowns a supreme place among the top colleges in Bangalore, and that is East-West Group of Institutions, situated at Anjana Nagar off Magadi Road, Bangalore, to serve the purpose of quality education to each student by the best faculty in India. The group of this premier educational institutions was a dream that was made true by late Sri C.M. Nagaraj, a visionary, an acknowledged educationalist, a philanthropist and a social worker. He was the founder chairman and former mayor of BBMP Bangalore, who had excelled in academics with a strong vision and mission, achieved success with his efforts, devotion, dedication and life to transform his ambition into reality, which is being maintained and now taken care by his two sons, Mr. C.N. Ravi Kiran and Mr. C.N. Shashi Kiran. Giving top priority to discipline, the institute today caters to an array of educational courses in various institutions. We have one such prestigious educational institution. East-West College of Management is being headed by Dr. Chandra Murthy, the Director of Management, who has an industrial experience of 35 years and academic experience of over 12 years.
East-West College of Management is a unit of East-West Group of Institutions, which is established during 1991. No doubt that any institution should have the infrastructure and state-of-the-art facilities for the students. Whereas in our institution, we are having a different type of approach to the students. Many institutions in metro city of Bangalore, they are concentrating only on the creamy layer. Whereas our institution, we are not looking for only the affluent people. The motto of our founder, late C.M. Nagaraj, is to provide education to the downtrodden, rural, poverty, below the poverty line people and the middle class who cannot afford the present scenario of monetary constraints in the society.
A fully immersive management education imparted with a national and global perspective to make our students become emerging leaders who will improve and transform organizations even in critical sectors of society. The values inculcated in students are impeccable and make the students socially responsible. Our endeavor is to make students explore how business can make a meaningful impact in society.
We are imparting the high quality education in our college, wherein you can find a highly qualified lecturers with us. We have a quality lecturers who have come from different stream of education system. We have with us a commerce graduates, postgraduate from the commerce, postgraduate from the management and postgraduate from the computer science. And with this group of faculties, we are imparting the good quality education and knowledge to the the team of students in MCA course, MBA course, in postgraduate, and similarly in undergraduates it is BBA course, BCom course and BCA course.
The institution has built up an impressive infrastructure which includes a serene campus with gardens and lawns, spacious and ventilated classrooms, a well-stocked library, state-of-the-art computer labs, auditoriums, modern hostel facilities separately made for both boys and girls with all facilities, and a canteen for food and snacks served with utmost hygiene. Amenities combined with competent, talented and dedicated faculty who strive to reach out, educate, mentor, guide and champion all those who would choose to be a part of East-West College of Management. Our management course curriculum is contemporarily rigorous and crafted with utmost care by dedicated academicians to equip graduates with the skills, abilities and knowledge that will enable them to take up challenging positions in the corporate world or to become successful entrepreneurs. We have a special language department for coaching of several languages like English, Hindi, Kannada, Sanskrit and other languages too by efficient and respective language professors. The College of Management provides courses for BBA, BBM, BCom, BCA for graduation and MBA, MCom and MCA for post-graduation. Job assistance is also given to students in top IT companies and correlated industries and companies too. The institution, with its modern and spacious infrastructure built on 20 acres of land in the heart of the city, yet away from the noise and air pollution. East West College of Management is affiliated to the Bangalore University and approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and ISO 9001-2000 certified, accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, accredited by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi 2008-2011. Our highly educated, experienced and dedicated faculty welcomes you to be a part of this great institution, to excel high in your career and to face the world confidently. For admissions and more details, you may contact Dr. Purushottam B, the Director, Admissions, at East West Group of Institutions, number 63, First Phase, Bharat Nagar, BEL Layout, Vishwanidham Post, off Magadi Road, Bangalore 91. You may call us at 080-2274-0770-2328, 6732-2328-8899, mobile 9448-224-779. You can fax at 080-2348-2825. You can email us at info@ewcm.edu.in or purushottamb@rediffmail.com. You may visit us at www.ewcm.edu.in. East West College of Management, pioneers in the field of education.